This pink velvet macchiato is a beautiful way to spice up your morning routine. It is frothy, it is creamy, and it gives you that perfect morning rush. We top it with a really strong shot of espresso. The drink is giving morning Barbie realness. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making a pink velvet macchiato. Before we begin, of course, do me a little flavor. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Measure and prep all of the ingredients. Let's work on the pink velvet milk. It sounds so crazy saying that. It's such a fun recipe. Whisk together the cacao powder, powdered sugar, and beet powder until the color is consistent and streak-free. Pink pitaya powder can also be used instead of the beet powder. I like to substitute a little honey or maple syrup instead of the powdered sugar. Highly recommend, try it out, it's so yummy. To this mixture, add the 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and mix it well until it's super combined and a paste starts to form. Slowly whisk in 1 cup of the hot milk until a smooth pink velvet forms and there are no lumps. Now let this cool completely. You can also make this ahead of time. You can make the pink velvet milk, store it in the fridge, and then just pull it out whenever you're ready to use it. You can make a big batch of this if you want. Now fill a cup with ice, add the pink velvet milk, and then top it with the espresso shots. I mean, it's so simple. This is insane. Especially if you make it ahead of time, boom, boom, boom. It'll be faster than making a cappuccino. For the full recipe, head to the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. I mean, we have got morning drinks, we have got evening cocktails, dinner, breakfast, sides, salads, soups, anything you could ever imagine. Don't sleep on it. Check it out. Babes, if you haven't already, please do me a little favor. Hit that like button and hit subscribe to the channel. It shows us that you love us, that you support us, and you like what we're doing. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Bye!